Casa Blajot is more than just a renovated house. It is a conversation across generations, where contemporary architecture meets the vision of one of the 20th century's greatest architects. Located in Premià de Dalt, a small Mediterranean town in Spain, Casa Blajot was originally designed by Josep Lluís Sert. Known for his modernist principles and his deep understanding of climate and landscape, Sert created a home that was both simple and generous. The house embraced the Mediterranean way of life, opening itself toward the sea while maintaining privacy and intimacy within its walls. The building sits carefully on a steep hillside, offering panoramic views of the horizon. Its geometry is rigorous yet elegant. The south facade opens generously to natural light and sea views, while patios, porches, and transitional spaces create a delicate balance between indoor and outdoor living. Decades later, the architectural studio Exitprojectes was given the challenging task of restoring and extending this iconic residence. Their goal was not to transform the house into something new, but to understand its essence and continue its story. Rather than imposing a contemporary style, the architects chose an approach based on respect. They carefully studied Sert's original intentions. The proportions of the spaces, the relationship with the landscape, the play of light and shadow, and the restrained use of materials. The extension was designed to be almost invisible. It does not compete with the original building, nor does it seek attention. Instead, it quietly accompanies the house, sharing the same scale, the same atmosphere, and the same architectural discipline. This sensitivity is what makes Casa Blajot exceptional. It is not a restoration that freezes the past, nor an intervention that erases history. It is an architectural dialogue that allows the house to evolve while preserving its identity. The result is a home that feels timeless. A place where architecture is not about spectacle, but about balance. A place where old and new coexist naturally, connected by a shared respect for light, landscape, and everyday life. Casa Blajot reminds us that the most successful architectural projects are often the quietest ones. They do not shout for attention. Instead, they reveal their beauty slowly, through proportion, atmosphere, and a deep understanding of what makes a house truly meaningful.